Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to fix the error of when Python says it gives you this error, say django.db.utils errors 2002 can't connect to MySQL. So that's the problem we have, and we want to solve that. We wanna see how it works. So now what I did, I'm gonna run that, and we see I'm gonna run one of the commands I ran to, which made us to do what, to be into that problem. So when we run the server, so we find that we have some issues. So it says manage.py.run server. That's when we're gonna get the prompts. So what we do is say Python 3 manage.py run server, because enter. When we enter, we see that we can see it says watching file changes the state reload, perform system checks. Okay, it goes and goes and goes and goes. Then after that, it tells us that Django, down here it says Django utils whatever 202 cannot connect to MySQL on 127.00.1. So there's a problem on that, because let me check. I'm gonna check something for us, and we see, first of all, if you have phpMyAdmin on your system, try to use it and see if it works. phpmy it's gonna be local host phpMyAdmin, and you put in your password. So if you see a message which says cannot log on to MySQL, and you have also put in the right username and password, this gonna be this will simply mean you did not start your MySQL server. So what we're going to do is to start MySQL server and see if we can see that error again. We can say cd, we go back and say service start MySQL server. MySQL service MySQL start. You enter. Once you enter, you fine with that. And also I want to start Apache server also. Service Apache. I'm just starting it on to start. Okay, all those services, we started them. So we're going to go to our phpMyAdmin again. We refresh here. Once you refresh, you log in here. Once you see that everything is working, you can see this is our Python database. There's nothing in there. Once you see that is working, you simply go back, and we close this. After closing that, we bring a new terminal, and we can let me close the terminal. We have another terminal, and we say Python 3 manage.py, then it says run server. You start, it's give me a prompt. Okay, I think it should be, I should cd to that first, then they say Python 3 manage.py space run server. You can see that we don't see that problem anymore. So it simply means we are cool and okay to move. So since we moved okay to move, we can still, you can still see that that problem is gone. So the reason why we had that problem was the server was offline. You get me? So since the server was offline, so you could not work. So even if we say service, to prove that, MySQL service server MySQL stop. Let me see. Okay, once I stop the service, then I'm gonna try to do the same thing and see Python 3 manage.py server py is gonna be run server, because enter. You can see we get the same error. Why? Because we did not start the what? The server. So MySQL server has to be started, Python to connect to your MySQL, because even here it specifies that django.db.utils.OperationalError. Then it said 202 can't connect to MySQL server on. So that simply means there's something wrong with your MySQL server. Either you can find that the parameters you put in the password username is wrong for the root, then also the root name is wrong, the username and the password, they are wrong, or MySQL server is what is not started. So once MySQL server is not started, so you're not going to get a chance to log in. So once you read that error, it simply means two things are wrong. Either the SQL server is off, MySQL server is off, or your connection parameters are wrong. So you have to go to your, first you have to start MySQL, then you test it. Then if it doesn't work, you got to go to your Python settings and change the username and password there. If the username and password there are correct, then everything should go well. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. This is the way we try to show you how to fix that error, and we believe it helped. If you have any problems or any question you want to ask, please do send it as a comment in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.